Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the low control arm on 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. Okay, before we remove the control arm, you need to remove the sway bar link. Okay, you need to remove the sway bar link both sides. I already remove the nuts out. Remove the sway bar link that side and the other side too. Remove the nuts and twist the sway bars up, okay, to get room for removing the low control arm. The bolt that we needed is number 18 millimeter. It's 18 millimeter and 16 millimeter bolt. Okay, let's get started, guys. So right now we're gonna remove the forward control arm bolts. Okay, look in here. Okay, let me move the cameras up a little bit. You can see a little bit clearly. You see, it's number 18 millimeter bolts. It's out. Let me put it in on one side, and the bolt here. They use number 18 millimeter too, but you need the wrench to hold up the nut on the top. Okay. See, it's come out, and the nut on the top is number 18. All right, so just put on the side. They have two bolt and two nut. So put on the side. And this one is number, I thought it's number 16. Yeah, 16 bolt here, and you need number 15 wrench to hold on the nut on the other side. It's out. Come on, baby. Sorry. Let me move the camera to the side. Point to the place that you guys need to know it. So the next part, you just twist it. See, it's out. The freaking control, and the bolts are, it's number 16 bolt, but the nut they use number 15. So after you remove the bolt and nuts out, you just knock it. Okay, you see, knock the control arm here, just knock it. I thought it's gonna come out easier. I told you, bingo. There's a new one. Here you go. The Walmart, the Walmart đi. The Walmart bà đây. Bắt đâu vậy? Bà. Then we put the new bolt on it. Alright, let me come to the side and push it up a little bit and put the bolt. Here you go. So now, and it's time to install the nut. So let me tightening it. Its job is faster. Oh, come on, baby. Stick. Stuck my arm in there on my finger. What the heck? Okay. Here you go. And so after you put the ball joint, hold the nut in here, and it's time to put the control arm back in. Okay. It's a very simple guy. Very simple job, I told you. Boom. Come in, just bring the plastic hammer in here, knock it, and we go outside. Come on, baby. Okay. Sorry, in and install the bolt. The shop is good. I thought you guys can try it at home, because it was not that hard. Like we see it look like hard, but it was not. As long as you get the sway barring nuts out, is everything gonna be easier. The problem is the sway bar. It takes so long. And next we're gonna install the bolt in here. Where my liner? It's almost done, guys. Almost done. Come on, man. Okay, whatever. You don't want to go in, I use a technique. It should be in. How come it doesn't want to go in then? Want to fight with me? Seriously? Yeah. One in. One in. There's the last bolt. But don't forget to put the nut on the top, okay? It's the number 18 nut on the top of it. This one in. The second one. The room is no room for me. Not enough room. Okay, so the nuts in. It's time to tighten it. It's almost done, guys. Let me see. I still have only like 8 minutes left. I will get done before the battery die. So use the one range number 18 and number 18 socket. Tight. Should be good. The last one. Lucky, you know, that I can get the sway bar link nuts out very easy. It's not again like here you go. So it's all set, guys. So the next part you just fill up. Let me fill up right now. It's easy. And a sway bar link nut. I'm gonna install it later on, but just tell you to do it, okay? Just tightening the grip filler. Grip filler, you need to be tightening it up a little bit. And it's all set. We're gonna bring it to the palm of the brace. Ah, come on. It is disgusting. Okay, so just palm it. Palm the grease in a little bit. Okay, it's all set. Okay guys, it's all set right now. Okay, it's how to replace for control arm on 2009 Chevrolet Malibu. And the last part we need to put it back in is sway bar link. Okay, in here and swirl and put one nut on the sway bar link and put the tie back on. It should be good to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Any question, just let me know. Yeah, and you need more detail on it, just let me know also. Okay, thank you.